So I'll just begin with this presentation on the QLU wisdom. So this is about the need for a spiritual university like the Quantum Life University and what it's all about. So the other day, I was just thinking of something which really defines why we have seen many training schools or colleges in various fields, but there isn't one school for simplicity, spontaneity, love. How many schools or colleges are there which really teach this? But we learn this in this big journey that we call life. And we will definitely need some form of education which teaches us these things. The problem with life is that it doesn't come with an instruction manual, especially in this high tech world that we live in. And the problem with life is just like that. It doesn't come with any instruction manual. So what if we could do something which is something like an instruction manual, like giving people the instruction manual of life, showing them how to really live life so that they can extract the maximum juice out of life. Manual, we really don't know anything about our lives, and we don't know ourselves also well enough. And because of this, our potential is very underutilized. We hardly use our potential. So it's important that we know ourselves. Since ancient times, ancient Greek philosopher Socrates said, know thyself. Only if you know yourself, you'll really be able to utilize or realize your full potential. And Socrates said, an unexamined life is not worth living. And this is so true. And the vast majority of the world's population, they just live their lives. So you need to know your reality. You need to understand. It's like we need to provide a roadmap of your reality. What is the nature of your reality? And that would really help us. Like if you're traveling to a particular destination, obviously you need to have a map of that destination. You need to know how to get there and what are the places that you need to visit when you get there. So not knowing your own is like traveling to some place without knowing where you're going. So that's the big picture, friends, that once we get to know our reality, the nature of our reality, and we have the roadmap, then we can actually travel, and then the journey becomes such a joy. Otherwise, the entire journey of life becomes such a big torture. So one common belief is that our reality is purely like a physical reality. Like we are born, we have physical bodies, we age, and then we die. Is that all to life? Or is there something more to life? So the truth is that our reality, life, is composed of both physical and non-physical aspects. And that's the first big truth which we understand when we get onto the spiritual, become more open to a higher understanding of ourselves. So let's find that map. And that's where our Quantum Life University comes into the picture. Because once you have a map, you understand your uniqueness, you know what you want to do in life, when you begin to know yourself, and then you begin to become the person that you really want to be. And you no longer feel like a victim of your circumstances. You really begin to understand that you are the master of your own life situations. You begin to take control of your life and you become a deliberate creator. You begin to realize your full potential. So the key to understanding and realizing your full potential is the eternal wisdom, the wisdom that has been there since ancient times, and which so Dr. Lakshmi so beautifully said in the morning that you need to awaken, which is already there within you. To realizing our potential is self-knowledge, knowledge of the self. Like Adi Shankara said, knowledge of the self leads to liberation of the self. Self-knowledge helps us to understand ourselves from within, and knowing more about ourselves and also about what is happening outside in the external reality, our inner reality as well as our outer reality, because our inner reality is what determines the outer reality. Since ancient times, the greatest masters, philosophers, and thinkers have been telling us that self knowledge is universal and unchangeable, and that's why we call it eternal wisdom. Consists of two parts: Atmagyan, which is knowledge of the self or the soul, and Brahmagyan, which is the knowledge of the whole universe, the manifestation, the cosmos, the creation, all that is God, that is Brahmagyan. Actually, Atmagyan is a part of Brahmagyan, but first we need to know about the self, and then we need to know what's the relationship between self and the universe. That's the total eternal wisdom. So when we learn Atmagyan and Brahmagyan, we know about ourselves. And when we know about the universe, eternal wisdom is already inside us. And all it needs is awakening. It just needs to be awakened. So we are much more than physical beings. Our psyche has four aspects: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual, which are interconnected and interrelated. So, friends, it's about knowing your inner reality and your outer reality, and understanding that we are composed of four aspects: the physical, the emotional, the mental, and the spiritual. So, that entire thing gives us the big picture of your reality. Our psyche has four aspects: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual, which are interconnected and interrelated. And in order to develop all four aspects, it's essential to have a fully integrated approach which is based on both Atmagyan and Brahmagyan. So that's where the solution emerges about the problem to life, and that is Quantum Life University, which is a Brahmagyan Peeth, which helps us to bring about integrated all-round development and growth. Quantum Life University, Awakening Wisdom Within. It's a center for learning Brahmagyan, bringing eternal wisdom to the modern world. All change must begin within. In the words of Confucius, to put the world in order, we must first put the nation in order. To put the nation in order, we must first put the family in order. To put the family in order, we must cultivate our personal life, and we must first set our hearts right. The objectives of QLU is to empower the people of the world with Atmagyan and Brahmagyan in order to bring about individual transformation as well as social transformation. Because individual transformation is the key to social transformation. To empower the people of the world with Atmagyan and Brahmagyan in order to bring about both individual transformation, which leads to physical, emotional, and mental health and well being, getting rid of fears and phobias, positivity, confidence, gratitude, and happiness, harmonious relationships, taking self responsibility for all actions and situations, prosperity and abundance, and finding a clear direction and purpose of life. Social transformation leads to a progressive society, very strong family connections in the world, universal love, peace, brotherhood, and friendship. System of education, which focuses only on the physical and material aspects of life. At best, it teaches you how to make a living, but it doesn't really teach you how to live. So, what we need to understand is how to live with the balance of physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual aspects of life. And with the present system of education, we have something we really can't see beyond. We can only look at things from a very narrow perspective. And it's important for us to know our larger reality. And the greater truth is that consciousness is the fundamental of the universe, and that everything in the universe is a combination of energy, consciousness, and wisdom. Everything is pure consciousness, and consciousness then becomes energy, wisdom, and it becomes consciousness or energy or wisdom. So all the three aspects are arising out of consciousness. They start from consciousness. QLU, it's a need in today's world. And during ancient times, universities like Takshila and Nalanda, they taught the world a holistic, healthy, wealthy, and harmonious way to live with joy, with total happiness. And again, today, the world needs to be shown that it is possible to live holistically and to live with your full potential and be happy, joyful, peaceful, and harmonious. And QLU is showing this way. So what is QLU? In the words of Dr. Newton Kondawiti, founder and chairman of QLU, Quantum Life University is a unique global institution for bringing the teachings of various time-tested systems of universal knowledge from across the world onto a single platform. It provides an open, supportive, unconditional, and holistic environment for not just gaining knowledge, but applying this knowledge in one's daily life, thereby transforming it into practical wisdom. It's going to be a beacon and sentinel for planet Earth. It's going to show the way. And what's the methodology that is used in Quantum Life University? It's the dissemination of Atmagyan and Brahmagyan in various modes: lectures, publications, presentations, practical workshops, experiential workshops, specially designed courses, as well as scientific research. QLU founders Brahmashri Chakravarti Dr. Newton Kondawiti and Brahma Vidvarishta Dr. Lakshmi Newton. Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi are medical doctors who realized that everyone has an inner doctor and therefore chose to become soul doctors practicing conventional medicine. They are world-renowned practitioners and teachers of meditation and spiritual science. They are pioneers in past life regression, future progression, life between rebirthing breath work, inner child work, family constellation, and organizational constellation work. In fact, right now, they're doing a lot of work in Vietnam on family constellation and organization constellation work. They are researchers of paranormal phenomena, experts in body, mind, spirit integration, energy medicine, holistic healing, teachers of self-empowerment, motivational speakers, and the list goes on and on. Dr. Newton awakened to his life purpose at the young age of 22, and during over 2.5 decades of work, he has been a much sought after mentor by beginners as well as established practitioners and teachers of alternative healing, holistic health, and self-empowerment. Although widely recognized as a teacher of teachers, at heart he is always an eternal student. Humility and hallmarks, epitomizing the phrase walk the talk. He is a tremendous source of inspiration to all because he constantly practices what he teaches. Dr. Lakshmi has been a constant companion of Dr. Newton since over 3 decades, sharing his wisdom and being a co-presenter with him in his workshops and this amazing journey for 3 decades. She is the one to go for questions regarding spiritual living. Her mission is to increase awareness about the need for harmony with the animal and plant kingdoms and to spread the message of love, compassion, and kinship with all of life. She is a passionate advocate of vegetarianism since the age of 2. These are some of the notable achievements. They have been conferred with so many honors and awards in their last 3 decades of work in the spiritual field. Dr. Lakshmi and Dr. Newton have authored many books and their articles have been published in leading newspapers such as the Times of India, Indian Express, and many leading publications. Intensive therapeutic retreats in addition to the foundational Soul Coach Transformation Program and Maitreya Buddha Transformation Program. Life Foundation has empowered over 10,000 persons in 2-day workshops, trained over 2,500 facilitators through 6-day residential retreats. Some of the awards, they were recently conferred with the World Peace Award by Asia's Leadership Awards 2019 at Singapore, and many other awards. Lifelong commitment to transformation. Together, they have traveled to more lives of millions of people by teaching meditation, promoting vegetarianism, training facilitators in comprehensive holistic therapeutic modalities, and conducting self-empowerment workshops. They founded QLU as a global center for learning spiritual sciences along the lines of the ancient universities of Takshila and Nalanda, which were world-renowned universities during those times. Dr. Newton has spontaneously recalled several of his past incarnations at Takshila University, and the insights thus gained have been instrumental in his formulation of QLU. The world is going through a major shift in human consciousness, and the old systems are failing, and it's time for a quantum leap in our evolution. In fact, our friend Louis was mentioning about how the wisdom of QLU has helped him to take a quantum leap in his own life and his own business as well. Quantum Life University, the vision is awaken spiritual science education will bring about a revolution as souls, revolution and evolution through spiritual science education. QLU is a global hub of spiritual science. It has 3 Jnanapeethas, each, and our friends are going to share about the other 2 Jnanapeethas, and I will talk about the first Jnanapeetha, which is the Jnanapeetha of spiritual sciences. So the 3 Jnanapeethas are Jnanapeetha of spiritual sciences, Jnanapeetha of transpersonal sciences, and Jnanapeetha of life sciences. So the first Jnanapeetha of spiritual sciences has 6 schools of wisdom. First is school of meditation, second is school of reincarnation, third is school of Kundalini, fourth is school of healing, fifth is school of rediscovery of scriptures, and the sixth is school of enlightenment. All these come under the Jnanapeetha of spiritual sciences. It is one group of these 18 schools of wisdom. The first fundamental group, which first introduces you to the concept of spirituality through meditation, and then other processes such as past life regression and understanding reincarnation, awakening of Kundalini, and also learning about all the different energy healing and spiritual healing methods, and then an understanding of the scriptures and ancient texts which contain so much of wonderful wisdom. And finally, the way to really become enlightened, because our ultimate goal for the soul is enlightenment, how to become enlightened. So these are the 6 schools of wisdom under the Jnanapeetha of spiritual sciences. And then we have the Jnanapeetha of transpersonal sciences, which will be covered by Hitesh and Shubhangi. And then we have the Jnanapeetha of life sciences, which will be talked about by our friends Ganesh and Preeti. So what's the operating model? The operating model of Life Foundation is the foundation, which is a non-profit trust called the Life Foundation. And under the aegis of the Life Foundation, we have Navya Takshashila Atma Vidya Peetham, which is an educational society working under the Life Foundation. And this is solely responsible for setting up our Quantum Life University. So that's the operating model and organizational structure for the Quantum Life University. So we have, at the base, we have the Life Foundation, which has birthed the NTAP or Navya Takshashila Atma Vidya Peetham, which in turn has given, was actually bringing the Quantum Life University into shape. Dr. Newton, Dr. Lakshmi, Sri Devi and myself. And every creation begins as an idea. This was captured so beautifully in the video which is presented by the Sanghamayatriyas about the first meditation that Harika was talking about. So this is that first meditation which happened, and at that, as you can see, at that time there was just that one neem tree and another small tree which is there, and there you can see what is the kind of transformation that has taken place in the land of QLU, where exactly in the same spot now we have Bodhisthana. And QLU, the beginning of physical manifestation, that is Dr. Newton at the time when the first version of Bodhistan was being built. And so this is about 150 acres of land, and that is Sridevi sitting there in the first version of Bodhistan, which was a thatched hut. And then the four pillars of QLU are wisdom, compassion, joy. Life Foundation is built on these four pillars: wisdom, compassion, peace, and joy. We have used so many different programs for children, the Bala Maitriyas particularly, teenage Buddhas for teenagers. We teach meditation in rural schools, the Grama Maitreya program for the rural population, the women empowerment programs to empower women, Soul Coach Transformation Program, which is the foundational transformation program of the Quantum Life University, with more than 100 topics covered from all over the 18 schools of wisdom. And in the afternoon session, we will have Soumya and Krishnamurti Soul Coach Transformation Program, as well as the Maitreya Buddha Transformation Program, which is known as the MBTP. The MBTP is a wonderful program which allows people to experience living on the campus, and they can come and stay there and know what is happening on the campus. Plus, they also get to take part in many other activities, including the Shraddha service and the meditation classes, as of the Upanishads and other sacred texts that Dr. Newton conducts during those 2 days. You can say it is an experience Quantum Life University weekend, and it's completely free, including accommodation and food. And again, more about this will be talked about in the afternoon session by Soumya and Krishna Mohan. And then we have 5 types of residential retreats: the past life regression, inner child work, family constellation, life between lives, and breath mastery. There are many structures at QLU, many of which you have seen in this video, which was shown in the morning by our Sangha Maitreyas. The entrance arch, the Shreyans Daga Pyramid Conference Hall, the Bodhistan, Maitri Conference Hall, Administration Office, Mokshadam Dormitories, QLU entrance, the Nirvana Rooms, Sacred Labyrinth, the Gaushala, and the amphitheater and the Saraswati Lake. So many of these structures which are there on campus. And you have already seen this in the video. So in 2020, there are some ongoing projects of the QLU, which is the boundary wall, approximately 15-kilometer long perimeter of the 150-acre, the walkway around Saraswati Lake, the landscaping throughout QLU, the Sahasrara Pyramid, which is a unique temple of wisdom, housed in a powerfully designed sacred geometric structure with a spherical conference hall and a pyramid conference hall. And this is the architect's drawing of the Sahasrara pyramid. This is how it's going to look. And our future projects are, we're going to become a globally recognized spiritual science university, the Sahasrara pyramid, and then we're also going to have a scientific center as well as water birthing center, and a spiritual library, a holistic school. All these are going to happen. So join us for the grander purpose, friends. Welcome to Quantum Life University. And the ways in which you can support this project: the Gaushala and animal welfare projects. You can offer your unique skills and talents: tree planting, spiritual farming, teaching meditation in villages. There are so many ways that you can associate with us in this project. Environmental protection, donations and fundraising, Annadana. Thank you, friends, and for this coming year and the years ahead. Thank you.